Welcome back to the channel, capturing my journey along the MG Car Club Speed Series in 2022. Today's an exciting day. It's 5 o'clock in the morning and we're off to the iconic Shelsley Walsh hill climb. When I set off on the journey around 18 months ago, this was one of the things that I had in my mind that I really wanted to do. So today's going to be a great day. The car's had some performance upgrades. The driver's getting used to the car. So everything to play for today. So as the sun comes up on what promises to be a dry, sunny day, let's have a look at the paddock. So I thought I'd take a chance to walk up the hill as I got here early, and the first thing I noticed is it's a lot steeper than I thought. The YouTube clips and things you watch don't give this justice. This is a hill climb. And there it is as you round the last corner. That's hopefully what I'll be looking at. So that's the course walked. I am suitably scared. From what I can see, it's fairly much in a road going midget, flat out up until these corners behind me. And then my plan is to get it into second and see if I can power through those onto the final straight. So bit of signing on, bit of noise testing, I guess, and then practice laps. So as we make our way home from Shelsley Walsh, we can reflect on a fantastic day, some really good times. I'm really pleased. Finally realised that Shelsley Walsh is flat out up until the S's, second gear, and then hang on for grim death round the two curves up until the finish line. Fantastic fun, look forward to doing that again next year. So the next MG Car Club sprint, well, hill climb actually, is Scamenden. So looking forward to that in a couple of weeks. I'll see you on the next video.